to my channel. Today I'm reinstalling the Sensational Wet Lace Glenna wig. She was a really popular wig because she was one of the first ones that came out with that light ash brown color. So just so you know, guys, like you can reinstall your synthetic wigs. You don't have to wear them one time and then throw them away. I have done that since the beginning of me wearing synthetic wigs. Just wash them and reinstall them. It's all about how you keep them stored. So after you take them off, you brush them out, and then you put them back in the original packaging with the net, with the paper that it comes with. Keeping the paper is in the net is important so that the wig can keep its form, and then store them in a cool, dry area. I remember I had a Bobby Boss wig. It was one of the first wigs that came out with like a different color. It was like a deep dark blue color. I had that wig for a good 2 years before I threw her away. I washed and recurled, washed and recurled. If you would like to see how I wash my wigs and recurl them so that the synthetic fibers don't get damaged, I do use steam. Go ahead and comment down below, and I will make like a 2-part video showing you how I wash and then showing you how I curl. But this was another easy install. I did glue it down because I wanted to wear her for a few days, not just one. So I did use my Bold Hold adhesive glue, and I'm just laying the lace with my Pump It Up spray, or melting the lace. That bottle always gets stopped up. If you use Pump It Up spray, you know you gotta like pull it apart and wash it. And I just didn't have time for that. But yes, this is the final outcome. It is just like I wore her the first day. I could get like a good 2 years from this wig alone, and I will show you how. If you like to know how, go ahead and comment down below. If you like videos like this and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop new videos. Thank you for watching. I gotta go be a mommy now. So thanks for watching, and y'all stay blessed.